On 15th of August, 7:29 p.m., Mahendra Singh Dhoni has announced his retirement, which means that we will not see Mahendra Singh Dhoni in an Indian jersey, blue colored jersey any longer. He has announced his retirement from international cricket. It's an end of an era. It's an end of an era, and Team India is going to miss a dynamic leader, a charismatic leader, and a sensational leader. Definitely they are going to miss, and they are going to miss the experience of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. People say that sports is a syllabus, means cricket is just a subject. But for me, Mahendra Singh Dhoni himself was a subject on the field. He himself was a big subject. His rules, his style, his charisma, everything was his own. Unorthodox method, and that's what made him special. We really could never know what Dhoni would do next. What would be coming, we never would know. He was very unpredictable, and that's what made him more special. And that's what made opponents' life miserable. That's it. It made opponents' life miserable because they couldn't predict. And cricket is 50% or 60% mind game. Mind game. If opponent can read your mind, then they have found out your weakness. That's what it is. But Dhoni would never let opponent know what's going on in his mind, and that's what makes him special. I am a 90s kid, so it's been more than a decade seeing Mahendra Singh Dhoni play for Team India. So now I'm going to tell top 5 memories of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Top 5. I clearly remember this match. Crystal clear, this memory is still on my head. I clearly remember. What happened is, when I was in 3rd standard, that time this match happened. So I was not that rich. My family was not that rich. So I was watching in a 19-inch TV, small TV. So I was watching. So that time, what happened is, openers Sehwag and Sachin opened the batting for Team India. Then Sachin went out early. Tendulkar went out early. Then I was expecting Ganguly to come, Yuvraj Singh to come, or Rahul Dravid to come. I was expecting. But suddenly, Ganguly sent in Mahendra Singh Dhoni at number 3. Then what a blasting and pasting and battering he has given Pakistan. You can't believe. Fadal, he was hitting. That Navedul Hassan was the bowler. Then Mohammad Sami was the bowler. Fatal, they were batting. He was batting. He was thrashing. Pakistan bowling didn't even have any answer to get Mahendra Singh Dhoni out. What a innings he has played. What an innings he has played. And after hitting the century, he has taken the bat and he shot in the sky. Like that. That was a sensational performance. He made captain's decision full worth. That's it. Full worth. If he would have not played that innings, then Sourav Ganguly's decision would have been criticized and slammed in the media. That was his first international century. And in that match, the highest economy rate of Pakistan bowler was Shahid Afridi. Afridi का माच चोद दिया पूरा धोनी ने, माच चोद दिया. What a performance, sensational performance. And during that time, India versus Pakistan matches used to happen more often, and that rivalry was so hot. It was so hot. Nowadays generation don't get to watch India versus Pakistan matches, and that rivalry they don't know. They know only IPL. CSK, Mumbai, KKR. They know that only. IPL, they know. That's it. This match also I clearly remember. After his first international century, it happened months later, this incident. Okay, I clearly remember I got promoted and I was in 4th standard and this incident happened. Sri Lanka, they gave around 300 runs target they gave. During that time, 50 overs, 300 runs, it was a tough target. It was 6 runs per over. It was a tough target. But what happened was unimaginable. Amma only happened. That's it. Dhoni again came at number 3. Fat. He banged. That's it. Means Sri Lankan bowler, it was looking like that time Sri Lankan bowlers were very strong. Chaminda Vaas was there, Muralitharan was there, Dilara Fernando was there. Good bowlers they have. But Dhoni made them look like it was not Sri Lankan bowlers. It was some club cricket bowlers. Amma, what bashing, what thrashing, what slapping he has given. Full thrashing, that's it, full thrashing. Means he chased down the 300 runs in 46 overs, he chased down that target. And thank God that day India was chasing the score. If India was batting first, then he would have hit double century also. What an innings! 183 not out. Brilliant. Absolutely sensational. This is one of the top moments of Dhoni's career. The way he handled Mullitharan, lethal bowler he was, superb bowler. The way he handled Mullitharan and attacked all other Sri Lankan bowlers, including Mullitharan also later, after he got adjusted to the crease, the way he attacked, seriously, hats off. That's it, hats off. If India was batting first that day, then no Gary Krishnan, no Saeed Anwar, nobody. Dhoni would have been the top individual scorer. That would have been the world record he would have created. What to say about this tournament? Seriously, words are also not enough. Words are also not enough for this tournament. Seriously. Means what memories, yaar. This was in 6th standard. 6th standard, I was in 6th standard. So we bought from 19-inch TV, it became 21-inch TV. We bought a new TV. So what happened? This tournament, matches used to happen late at night. Okay, matches used to happen late at night. So that time I was in 6th standard. So parents used to not allow me to watch the match. But what I did, simply when parents was sleeping in the roommates, that time suddenly I used to come to the drawing room, open the TV, mute version I used to put, and then I used to watch the matches. Means what memories here. So T20 World Cup happened. First ever T20 World Cup happened. Before T20 World Cup, in the same year, 50 overs cricket World Cup happened. 50 overs cricket World Cup happened, and that World Cup was the worst World Cup of Team India. Worst World Cup. We got knocked out in the group stage itself by Bangladesh. That was the worst World Cup. That was the worst World Cup because of that Gandu Lauda Benchot coach Chappal. Lauda Chappal coach. He had so good players. We had so good players like Ganguly, Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, Sehwag. So good players were there. But still, nothing we could do. We played like club cricket. Ranji team, worse than Ranji team we played. Like that we played, that World Cup. Because of that coach, he couldn't handle the ego players. And he showed so much ego. Best coach. After the disastrous World Cup, Team India was attacked left, right and center. By the media also they were attacked. By the public also they were attacked. And in Ranchi, Dhoni's house stones was thrown. Then his posters was burnt. Everything, full attack only, that's it, full attack. Then after 7 months, T20 World Cup happened. T20 World Cup happened, and before the tournament I clearly remember Sachin Tendulkar, Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, VVS Lakshman, then Anil Kumble. These 5 decided not to play for Team India in the T20 World Cup. They decided not to go. They thought that this T20 is some nonsense tournament and nonsense this thing. So they will not go to play. That's it. So seniors told that they will not go for the World Cup. They decided not to play. So Team India sent a junior team. And they went without a coach also. As that Lauda Gandu Chappal got sacked and they didn't find a new coach. So Team India went without seniors and without any coach. Lalachand Rajput or someone was the assistant manager. He only played as the coach. So they went with a young team. This tournament only began the era of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. This is the first time ever Dhoni became the captain of Team India. The management, BCCI decided to give him captaincy. He was leading from the front. That's it. And there only we saw the speciality of Mahendra Singh Dhoni. His decision making. Seriously. Group stages against Pakistan. After 20 overs, the scores was tied. So that time rule was, if the score is tied, the game goes for bowl out. Okay. So each team will choose 5 bowlers and it will be like a penalty shootout. Okay, whoever hits the wicket, they win the match. Whoever hits wicket. So like a penalty shootout it was. So generally team will choose all the 5 bowlers. Okay. Pakistan also chose all the bowlers. But all of them missed the stumps. But Dhoni chose Robin Uthappa, Virender Sehwag, and Harbhajan Singh. All of them hit the stumps. That's it. That's how Captain Cool arrived. That's it. What a decision making. Before the tournament, nobody gave India a chance. Nobody gave India a chance. If they would have said that India will win the T20 World Cup 2007, all the people would say, "Are you joking or what? Mad or what you have become?" Like that they were saying. But Mahendra Singh Dhoni, along with his players, Yuvraj Singh, Gautam Gambhir, Srishant, RP Singh, and all these players made it possible. And the Dhoni moment in that World Cup was, instead of Harbhajan giving Joginder Sharma the final over, that was the Dhoni moment, and India lifted the World Cup. And because of that World Cup win only, today there is the biggest tournament IPL is present because of that victory. Dhoni finishes off in style. A magnificent strike into the crowd. India lifts the World Cup after 28 years. If you are not familiar with this statement, then you are not Indian only. Goda. Every Indian is familiar with this statement. Every Indian. After 28 years, India has lifted the World Cup in India itself. In the whole tournament, Dhoni didn't play up to the mark. But in the final, when the team was in trouble, deep trouble, along with Gautam Gambhir, what a partnership he made. Everybody thought that Yuvraj Singh, who was in form of his life, would come up next. But Dhoni, again, unorthodox, thinking out of the box, came in. And the way he tackled Muthaiya Muralitharan and Tilkaratne Dilshan and all the bowlers, seriously, commendable job. That's it. That was the best innings in his life he has played. I clearly remember this match. I was in 9th standard. After that first innings got over, that Sri Lankan Tevadiyapaya Perera and another Muthal Tevadiyapaya, Samarvira or someone, they were celebrating. Oh, we already won the match. 270 runs, we already won the match. Tevadiyapaya, Muthal Paya. Like that they were celebrating. But what happened? Dhoni cool, Sangha fool. That's it happened. Sangakkara has 0 World Cups in his whole career. But Dhoni has 1 World Cup and 1 T20 World Cup. Yes. That is the speciality. So do those Tevadiyapaya activities out of India, not in India. Do it in Colombo. That's it. Muthal Tevadiyapaya. That's what. Lot of memories are there. It's very difficult to choose. But one of the top moments has to be the tri-series, India, Sri Lanka and Australia. Before that first final happened, Australia captain Ricky Ponting, overconfident statement he has given. Overconfident he was. He said that we are playing against India. I think we don't need the third finals. In 2 finals only, India will say bye-bye, that's it. So overconfident he was. But what happened? That tournament? India only played 2 finals and India won 2 finals against Australia, defeating Australia in Australia. Now that happened. That is the speciality of Dhoni. That is the speciality of Dhoni's captaincy. Just wiped out. Ricky Ponting couldn't even show his face for 15 days in his colony. Like that it was. He was shame of himself. Like that. So overconfident. And that has to be the top moments. It was in England. Champions Trophy. Seriously. Gautam Gambhir, Sehwag, they were not at all in form. And then Rohit Sharma and this Shikhar Dhawan became the new formidable partnership of Team India under Dhoni's captaincy. That was another top moment. Seriously, winning that Champions Trophy was a thing. But future of Indian cricket became bright after that. Seriously, after that tournament. Seriously. New opening partnership was invented. Middle order was invented. Virat Kohli played at number 3. Seriously. Now that same partnership and same players are playing still. Rohit Sharma was a middle order batsman. But Dhoni promoted him. And he has scored 3 double centuries as an opener. That is the speciality. Players have flourished under the captaincy of MS Dhoni. He has empowered the players and Team India is definitely going to miss him. It's an end of an era. over. And after Dhoni's retirement, I'm pretty sure a lot of people will quit watching cricket, will not watch cricket at all. I know many people. All the legends retired. All the legends retired. Ganguly retired. Sachin retired. Dravid retired. Lakshman retired. Kumble retired. Harbhajan retired. All of them retired. Everybody retired. That's it. It's an end of an era. Over. Because of these legends only, because of these legends, today BCCI has so much control over ICC, and BCCI India is the boss of cricket. That's it. Boss of cricket. Because of these legends. Because of these legends performing at the highest stages, today we can say that IPL is the biggest tournament in the whole world. That's it. It's bigger than international cricket itself. That's it. Money, 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 money. That's it. Money, money, money. More money in IPL than in international cricket. That's what happened. That's why today BCCI is able to cancel, ICC is able to cancel T20 tournament. T20 World Cup only they are able to cancel. And put IPL. That's it. IPL first, then comes international cricket. Because of legends like these. Legends flourished and built a tree. Big tree they have made. That's why today it's like this.